How to fix Slack emoji not loading. To fix the Slack emoji not loading error, you simply have to press the Ctrl R on Windows or Command R on your Mac to force reload the application and clear its active image render cache. So what you can do is, if you are on mobile device, you simply have to make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply switch to a better network. Then scroll down or now open your device's app gallery. From here, you simply have to go ahead and search for the Slack application. Once you find it, go ahead and long press the icon itself. Tap on this app info panel to access the settings over here. Now head to the storage and cache. Now you simply have to clear the cache to remove all sorts of corrupted files within the application. Then proceed to relaunch it and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.